Alright guys, what's going on? So we're starting off the video at 6 a.m. at a parking garage in Fullerton, Anaheim, Los Angeles area. We're gonna drive like 3 hours all the way down to Placer City, California to go off-roading again. So this should be a pretty cool video. It's a special one. We got a couple pro drivers we're gonna meet and go ride around with. I'm in a super cool F100. So I'm just gonna stop talking and head out there, and I'll catch you guys when we're out there and just kind of pick the video up there. You guys are not gonna want to miss this. Yeah. Beautiful ocean view.
Look at that ocean right there. It's so blue.
We're here. Dang, that's pretty fancy. You ready to go ride in one of them?
Yeah.
Look at that F100. Damn, that thing's cool. Wow. Big truck. Big truck. Well, this is a new one for me. So as you guys have probably, if you guys are a long-time follower, you know I've done some off-road stuff out here in the past in the desert, but a new one for me is an actual like 6100 spec trophy truck, basically. F100 pre-owner, which is pretty rad. And this is definitely a new one. We got ourselves a freaking helicopter, boys. That thing says Altima on the side of it and everything.
Imagine having a helicopter.
Imagine having a helicopter, right? You look like a race car driver as heck. Damn, look at that fit check. Not bad, huh? All right, guys, so I'm here with Christopher Florty, and we're gonna go ahead and actually go in. This is a 6100 truck. You guys just ran this thing in the 1000, right?
Correct, just finished the 1000. Dust her off a little, and
yeah, keep on going, huh?
Yeah, it's still good. We finished, so the truck's ready to rip.
Awesome, cool. Well, give me a little rundown just for the guys that don't know, what is this and kind of what's the difference, I guess, between these two. We'll kind of run through real quick.
All right, so this is a full tube chassis. Looks like a Ford Raptor. It's got about 525 horsepower. Pretty much a trophy truck with a limited motor, about 30 inches of travel in the rear, 24 up front, A-armed, 40-inch Toyo tires.
Nice.
These things they weigh about 140 pounds a piece.
Those are fun to change.
Oh, yeah, it's plenty fun.
Definitely.
Top speed around our top speed right now is 118. We can go through bumps about this big at 100.
Nice. Without
blinking an eye. It's pretty cool. Paddle shifters, 3-speed. It's a fun toy, and
that's
you just kind of hold on.
Hell yeah, I can't wait, dude. That's gonna be awesome. This should be fun. You ready to have a blast or what?
Yeah, I am.
Oh yeah. Cool. And then I have to walk over here real quick, since I know a bunch of my guys at home are definitely looking to this thing. So what is this? I saw this at SEMA. I think I took a couple of videos of it all over Lamb.
So this is my, this started off as my first truck. It's a 1967 F100, but now it's pretty much a full-blown pre-runner. Has a lot of similar characteristics of this, 30 inches of travel, 24 up front.
Nice.
This thing we run on 37s versus 40s.
Yeah. Similar
motor, 500 horsepower, but inside it's full luxury pre-runner.
Nice.
It's got AC, heated seats.
Oh wow, I didn't know that.
So you roll the windows up, turn the stereo up, and kind of cruise. While this thing, you're like sprinting. This is more of like a, you're out for a Sunday cruise.
Yeah.
It's also street legal. It's a great coffee getter.
Nice, yeah. It's got I-beams under it. Does it have some of the stock frame still under it? It looks like it.
So frame rail goes from here all the way to right here. So a lot more than most people think.
Yeah.
You wouldn't think. I tried to keep it somewhat stock. It's pretty fun, and
I like the way it looks.
We can do a full walk around a little. It's a little dirty.
We get it off the trailer. We'll go through it a little more. This thing is clean. I didn't get to open it up at SEMA, obviously, but I crawled around it a little bit. I was like, dang, this thing's cool.
Right after SEMA, we went straight to Baja. Did about 700 miles of pre-running before we hopped into that. So this thing got beat. I buried it in a silt bed in the middle of the night pre-running.
Nice.
That was super fun, especially because you have to open the doors and get out.
Yeah.
And the silt's up to here.
Oh.
And like when you step on the silt, it just like
powders
and you're just like
in there.
Oh, dude.
No, got it.
So she's a little dirty, but
oh well, it serves a purpose. It's not just street clean. I like that. That's awesome, dude. Cool. Well, I can't wait. Let's go ahead and hop in, throw the GoPros in, and let's see what the thing can do. Thank you.
I'll be back.
Awesome.
Now it's time to scare her.
Yeah, dude. Ready for some fun?
The toothbrush.
This ain't Knott's Berry Farm. Sorry, girl. You don't put a helmet on when you get on a roller coaster.
Yet you don't like roller coasters.
I hate roller coasters. I don't know about you guys. Well, there goes my girlfriend. That's how you know you gotta keep her. You send her out here in the middle of the desert when she's got a sorority formal tonight. Stick her in a trophy truck. And she's okay with it. Chasing it down with a helicopter. That's crazy. Oh, damn. Oh, Maddie's probably having so much fun in there. Oh my God. Maddie, I'm sorry. I mean, not really, but I'm sorry. How was it?
Very fun.
Your hair looks like you had fun.
I know.
Yeah.
It was all stuck in the helmet. It was really fun.
Yeah. A lot of like, oh, I think you're gonna slow down, and then he just explores it harder. Yeah,
Yeah.
exactly. That's cool.
I'm tired. I'm tired.
Mentally,
Holding
yeah.
myself.
Yeah. Holding your helmet down, trying to keep your head down. Yeah, exactly.
Like towards the end, I was like.
Yeah. But it's crazy, huh? You didn't think you
fun.
could hit whoops that fast. You're probably doing over 100 in some of those other sections in the back.
That was fun.
Yeah, definitely cool, huh?
A little scary at some parts, but
Yeah.
it was fine.
Ready for a Bronco now?
What?
You ready for a Bronco now?
So.
Look under there. You can see it like kind of horizontal.
Oh yeah, it's way up there.
Yeah, so you need to just pop that down, drop it in real
Hold your
quick.
drive
8
shaft,
bolts.
yeah. Yeah. All business. Wow. I like it all ties through the firewall, nice. Not quite as much travel?
Similar travel, but I don't like to beat her up as much.
Yeah.
Smaller tires, a little lighter, so you can't really smash through that stuff, but it's still got plenty but you gotta remember, she's a classic.
Yeah.
It has the capabilities, but I like to, I want her to put her on the trailer or drive her to the coffee shop next week.
Well, that's the thing is I respect how clean it is.
This thing has really nice paint on it. You can see the metallic. I mean, this thing was that SEMA, so it is a nice truck. You don't want to beat it up too bad.
Ford Boost SEMA, so yeah. I mean, it doesn't look too bad, but it gets used. It's got scratches, it's got some rust here and there, you know.
Well, it's an old truck. At least you use it better sit in the garage, right?
Oh yeah.
Cool.
I hate seeing trucks sit in the truck.
I agree.
That's what everyone's like, oh, you're missing a mirror. I'm like, well,
I drive it, I use it, yeah. Cool. All right, let's go around the block, dude.
Forgot my phone though, so we're not gonna have any music. My apologies. We'll have to suffer through this one, you know?
Yeah. Oh darn, AC and no music, what will I ever do?
I know. It's a tough day.
Yeah. Definitely gotta shut it like an F100. Well, that's cool, dude. That thing's badass. You can see it got all dirty and dusty. Damn. Nice. Well, there you have it, you guys. That was absolutely crazy. The F100, it's like a totally different animal between the two, which is kind of crazy. But the trophy truck is just something else. Oh my gosh. But we're kind of short on time. We got to head back up. She has a formal we got to go to. So unfortunately, we're going to cut the day a little bit early. We're going to head back up a little bit. But I'll talk to Chris about doing some future videos with the truck. Maybe get a little bit more in depth, do kind of an actual like build breakdown video, kind of show you guys a little bit more about it. The thing has AC, heater, heated seats, all sorts of cool stuff, luxury, but awesome trucks. Massive thank you to Chris and the Pulvorde team for having us out here. Same with Optima Batteries, those guys are absolutely killing it. We're gonna go ahead and head back up. Ready to go back to LA? What a drive, what a drive. All right guys, so I'll catch you back up at LA. Also, shout out to you, dude, thanks a bunch.
Thanks for coming.
Yeah,
glad you guys came.
Can't wait for the next time, dude. Hell yeah.
All right guys, well, we're finally back home. We basically went from Fullerton to Placer City to Fullerton again. You can look on a map and see how far that drive is. We did it in one day, so that was fun. Massive thank you to Chris Pulvorde and all the guys over there at the Optima team. Those guys have an awesome program with a really cool truck. I want to give a massive thank you to Chris for the ride along, as well as Adrian Ortiz for some of the drone shots and the aerial footage you guys saw. A lot of the in-car stuff was from him. Did an awesome job filming that stuff, so make sure you go put his tag. I'll put both their tags up. Make sure you follow those guys. They definitely know what they're doing. But anyways, we're gonna hop back on some of the other projects we got coming up this week. We're getting on the Galaxy with some bodywork, so I'll see you guys then. Like the video if you did enjoy it. Let me know what you think down in the comments below. Make sure you go grab your hoodie. It's getting a little cold out. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.